So look, you want to know how you can make some extra money, huh? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Yes, I'm gonna tell you how you can make some extra money, but I need you to be patient. Just listen to this real quick. Welcome to the Garage, hosted by myself, Mr. Hollowness, and my spirited sidekick friend right here named Bone. This channel is your go-to for truth, practical advice, and empowering knowledge, all delivered with a little humor. Me and Bone bring a wealth of wisdom and credibility, while Bone tries to keep things lively. We break down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps with a little bit of laughter along the way. Whether you're looking for some self improvement tips, some life changing insights, or just to have a good time, we've got you covered. So, you want to talk about the money. I know you want to talk about the money. So, let's talk about the money. You ready to talk about the money, Bone? Bone, you ready to talk about the money? Yeah, he ready to talk about the money. So, this is how you can make some extra money. Listen, listen. It's called a virtual dispensary. That's right, a virtual dispensary. Virtual dispensary. Yes, cannabis, people, cannabis. I'm gonna tell you how you can start and own your virtual dispensary. Well, I'm gonna give you the information. I'm gonna tell you so much, but then you got to do your part, and then you'll get the rest of the information. Okay? So look, before I go into details, let me say this. I'm gonna tell you the advantages of being a customer if you have a virtual dispensary, and I'm gonna tell you the advantages of owning your own virtual dispensary. That's right. Think about this. First, if you're a customer, you can order 24 hours, 7 days a week. 24 hours, 7 days a week from anywhere. You can order from anywhere. You can be at home and order. You can be at the grocery store and order. You can be, I don't know, where's another place people go? You can be at the YMCA and order. You can be at a basketball game and order. Heck, you can go to church and be in the middle of service listening to the preacher, and you can say, you know what? Let me get my cannabis products. And yes, you can order it. And guess what? The great thing is, nobody would even know. That leads me to this: no face to face interaction. Think about that. No face to face interaction. You don't have to go to no store. Nobody know, some of y'all, you're a little bit nervous. You don't want people to know you getting high. I get it. That's fine. To each his own. But guess what? There's no face to face interaction because you don't have to go to a store. You simply order from wherever you are. And guess what? It'll get sent wherever you want to send it. So you could be sending it to yourself, of course, or you can even be sending you can send it to someone as a gift for whatever reason. It could be a gift if they just want to get high. It could be a gift if they need it for some pain management. Yeah, y'all didn't think about that. Everybody don't do cannabis just to get high. Some people do cannabis for pain management. That's right, pain management. And then some people even put some of the products in their food. All of that is there. No face to face interaction. You can order 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you can order from anywhere at your own convenience. Hmm, can't beat that. This guy right here, Bone, he's a customer. He tells me all about it. I'm a owner. See, well, we're both owners, I guess, but he acts more like a customer. I'm an owner of a virtual dispensary. So I'm gonna tell you the advantages if you own a virtual dispensary. No overhead costs. Think about that. There is no overhead costs. So you don't have to worry about the rent getting paid or the lease getting paid that month. You don't have to worry about the utilities getting paid because you got employees there and you got to have running water and you got to have power. You don't have to have none of that. Um, you don't have to have security guards. Yeah, you got to have all that when you have a storefront. Guess what? With a virtual dispensary, you don't have to have any security guards watching the property. You don't have to have this. alarm system because people are breaking into buildings, stealing your product. You don't have to worry about that. There's no overhead costs. But here's the good one, the real good one, the real good one. Think about this. Increased reach. You want to know what increased reach is? I'm going to tell you what increased reach is. Increased reach means people from all over the world. I didn't say where you live. I said people from all over the world can order your product. And you ain't doing nothing but sitting at home making money. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. Yes, increased reach. So, now, with all that being said, I know you ready. I just know you ready to own your own virtual dispensary. But there is something that you have to do. I need you to email Bone. Yes, this guy right here. I need you to email Bone because he needs to make sure you're of age and all that good stuff and you're a real person and all that stuff. But I need you to email Bone at thegorage@gmail.com. I'm going to say it again. You're going to email Bone at thegorage@gmail.com. And yes, I'm going to spell it for you. That is TheGorauge. One more time for you slow people. TheGorauge@gmail.com. That is the garage@gmail.com. Hey man, you ready to help people make some money? Huh? Y'all see that? So that's what you're gonna do. If you want to own your own virtual dispensary, you're gonna email Bone at thegorage@gmail.com. Don't say I didn't help you out. Don't say I didn't give you some information on how you can make some extra money. I'm telling you right now, it's great. You're not physically always having to show up and do 8 hours of work and clock in and do who wants to do that? That don't sound fun. Start your own virtual dispensary. Reach out to Bone, like I said, at thegorage@gmail.com. Now, before me and Bone leave, before me and Bone leave, I'm tired. Before me and Bone leave, let me share this with you. We have this thing we call let's help each other. It's very, very simple. Let's help each other. And this is how this works. What you're going to do is you're going to send an email to the garage@gmail.com. You're going to send an email. Whatever it is you sell, whatever it is you promoting, whatever it is that you want the world to know about, just send the email and I'm going to promote it right here on this channel. That's right. I'm going to promote it right here on this channel. And guess what you're going to do? For me, at least I hope. You can subscribe to this channel. You can like it. Heck, if you don't do neither one of those, just tell somebody about the channel. Just do that. Just tell somebody about the Garage. Tell them about it. Um, that's all I got right now. Um, have a good day. Are you gonna say something before we leave? Say something to the people. Say something. Hmm, I'm out.